We're having summer today in the Highlands, and so my mind turned to hanging baskets. I've been spending today busily planting them up. They take forever, and this is the last flower one I'm doing. I've just got a little bit of water retaining gel. This swells up. I think it's meant to be dry. This is a little bit sticky actually. I'm just going to break little bits off, stick it in the soil. What I've got here is a planting basket like this, so I should just be planting on the top rather than round the sides. Just put some of them in the bottom, just little pea bits of it, because it swells up enormous. I've made a mistake before and put far too much in, and it's up like frog spawn all over the top, so not too much is needed. And then I've got things like standard favourite lobelias, bidens, petunias, geraniums, and what else? Oh, busy lizzies or impatiens. Just basically all you do is I filled this partly up with a multi-purpose compost. Get your little pots out and start placing them. You grow them in clumps because they're so tiny. Of the lobelia, which I should just put round the sides. They're a bit wet because I've watered them, so it's a bit gooey. These are bigger, they've got a lovely root system on them. Then we'll have Busy Lizzie, which will oblige and grow over the side a bit as well. I'm going to get some soil now with my lovely little shovel. It's actually too early yet to put these outside because we're still having frost. So I always have to start mine off inside. So we'll have a petunia each side, just the next row in. Oh. Geranium there, and a geranium there. And that's it done. Now you've got to make sure that there is slits in the side for the water to escape. This has got plastic in, so I made sure there was a hole in the bottom first. And then I should just hang this one up. And I can keep my eye on that, water it regularly every day to make sure it's okay. And as soon as the frosts have gone, they'll be out to hang in the garden. Now, something a good friend of mine does is he grows his lettuce in a hanging basket. Because I haven't seen him all through this lockdown period, I think I would have a go as well. So I've got 2 more baskets here. Needs to be lined. So I've got a sheet of black polythene from a bag of compost. It has got holes in it already actually, but I'll do more afterwards. Got to put my gel in it, didn't I? And I have some little seedlings. These are red salad bowl lettuce. And you can pack these quite tight. So there we have a hanging basket full of lettuce. And the good thing about these type of hanging baskets, of course there's nothing that heavy in it. You can hang another one underneath, like that. This is another one. I've got some little Mizuna seedlings, which is a Japanese, is it? Lettucey thing. So I thought I'd alternate these. I rather like this method of gardening. Keeps the things at eye level, keeps them away from the slugs, makes it easier to pick as you're getting older. Getting decorative here because I've got green Mizuna around the edges and red lettuce in the middle. And that's that one done. Couldn't be simpler. And now, just hang it on the bottom of the other one, in the centre. How simple is that? 2 hanging baskets filled with salad crops. Be ideal. And I brought out my salad leaves so I can do some more.